sa simula lang mahirap. In the many things we do, the difficult part is actually to get started. Marami tayong mga dahilan, parang gusto natin mamaya na, we tend to procrastinate, parang every cell of our body doesn't want to do the work. Pero pansinin nyo, once you actually get started, you start to build the momentum. And gradually, you enter into what is called deep work. Yung work itself is the one motivating you. Na gusto mong tapusin, na gusto mong ayusin. Then later, we actually realize that the work itself isn't so hard. Sa simula lang talaga yung mahirap. So find a way to get things started right away. Don't bank on your emotions to start it, but instead, develop a system na kung saan agad-agad sinisimulan mo ang dapat mong gawin. So don't overthink it. Ika nga sa isang sapatos, just do it. In that way, you'll end your day productive. Magiging mas masaya ka. Because fulfillment comes when you're able to accomplish what you set out to do. My prayer for you is that God may grant you the discipline and the consistency to do work right away and to do it well.